115 plus.
Just because they won't have to give out that many, you usually don't need them that young. You see random kids with them.
I guess I figure more kids need them, but their parents can't afford to buy them.
Guess maybe it depends where you are too.
But in order for the glasses, that means they have to have their eyes tested.
Well, you don't have to pay kids. You don't have to pay till they're 18.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Or is it 20?
18. Yeah.
Well, get a note from your doctor.
In 4 months, he gets his eyes tested.
Do you have a note from the doctor always okay?
Because I have that speckle in my eye.
I didn't know that I knew about that until you're 18 and over.
But they figure there's some genetic barrier and you have your eyes every year.
Checkies.
I get my eyes checked every 6 months, is it, sweetie? Or is it every year? Every year?